If a product of 8 integers is negative, at most how many of integers can be negative? Product, so it means multiplication of 8 integers, is negative. So if we, for example, have 8 integers, so 8 is even number. When we have even number of negative integers, the product will be always positive. So we need to have negative product. So when we have one less integer, because we have to find the most of the integers. So 7 integers we have. 7 is odd number. When we have 7 negative integers and 1 positive, the product, of course, will be negative. Always when we have odd number of integers which are negative, then the product is negative. So the most how many of integers can be negative is 7. When we have 7 integers negative, then the product will be negative. This is my solution.